Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove any malware from Windows 11. Begin by clicking the Start button and typing Windows Security. Open it. On the left side, click Virus and Threat Protection. Then select Quick Scan. Wait for the scan to finish. If it finds any threats, choose Remove or Quarantine. If the scan finds nothing or the problem remains, click Scan Options. Choose Full Scan and start the scan. This may take some time. Again, remove any threats it finds. Next, install Malwarebytes from malwarebytes.com. Open it and click Scan. When it finishes, select all detected items and click Quarantine. Restart your computer if asked. Now remove unwanted apps. Click Start, then Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall any programs you do not recognize or did not install yourself. Next, open Task Manager. Click the Startup tab. Disable anything that looks suspicious or that you do not use regularly. After that, update Windows. Click Start, then Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any that appear. Updates close security gaps that malware can use. Finally, restart your computer and run one last quick scan in Windows Security to make sure your system is clean. Thanks for watching.